In fast-moving environments, static device groupings simply can't keep up. When device attributes change, traditional groups can take up to 24 hours to update. That delay limits how quickly IT teams can secure, configure, and support their devices. With MaaS360 smart groups, those challenges disappear. Device reclassification happens in near real-time, ensuring policy, compliance, and configuration changes are applied within minutes, not hours. For example, in a frontline scenario, imagine you manage a warehouse and want to keep a set of standby devices with custom attributes set to backup. In case of any malfunction of an operational device, you can simply assign one of the backup devices to a field agent. As soon as you change the attribute, the device moves to operational group, applies appropriate policies, and receives all required apps. With smart groups, all the changes happen almost instantly, which means no productivity loss for the field agent. Now, let's see this live. Start in the MaaS360 home screen. Go to the Groups page. Here, you can create a new smart device group and assign devices based on a custom attribute. In this case, choose Department/Business Unit and set criteria so that only backup devices in store are included in this group. As you can see, currently there are no devices with the attribute set to store, but you will add some later. For now, create new device group. Name it Store Group, add a description, and click Save. Go back to the Groups page. As you can see, the group you just created is now listed here. Let's repeat the same steps for the operational group that will contain all devices assigned to field agents. In this case, you want the custom attribute to contain the word operations. Click Search and then create the new group. Back to the Groups page, you have both the store and operational groups created. You can now proceed and assign appropriate policies to both groups. To do so, click More. And from the drop-down menu choose Change Policy. For the Operations group, you want to set a kiosk policy. Click Submit and enter your password to confirm changes. Similarly, change the policy for the Store group. In this case, select the default MDM policy. Now, devices assigned to those two groups will automatically adopt appropriate policies, and by changing values of the custom attribute, you can easily move them between groups. Let's see that in practice. First, let's add one of the devices to the Store group. Go to the Devices tab and choose one of the devices that you want to assign to the group. Open the Summary drop-down and choose Custom Attributes. Set the department attribute to Store. You can go to the Groups section now and see that the device is assigned to the Store group. And on the device itself, the default MDM policy is applied. Now, change the attribute to Operations. Go back to the Groups section. The Group Name column indicates that the device successfully moved to the Operations group. And when you refresh the view on the device, you can see that the policy is now set to the kiosk policy. The change applied to the device almost immediately. This is how responsive the smart groups are. Note that the Smart Group Evaluation Time column gives information on when the last smart evaluation happened. It helps admins track the device's movements and gives information on how much time is actually needed for the changes to take effect. MaaS360 Smart Groups is a dynamic solution for teams that depend on accurate and responsive device configuration. It lightens the admin workload and takes care of security, configuration, and support across all your devices. Smart groups are now available in all MaaS360 pricing plans. So don't wait and take advantage of real-time control. Start using smart groups now.